Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video we'll be starting a new Austin 7 build. We'll be taking a bare chassis like this and I'll be taking you along while I put all the axles on, the engine in and build it all up, ready to start building a wireframe body on this car. This car is actually going to the restoration show at the NEC on the 24th to the 26th of March. So have a look out for it there and come and say hi if you see me. Right, let's get into the build. Right, so here we're going to put the back axle on. I'll lift it up with the crane and put it in place. Now this axle's had new bushes in the spring shackles and it's had new pins, so I'm going to copper slip them up and get them in place. Right, so we've got the back axle on, now we're going to get the front axle, the springs and the tie bars all in position and tightened up. Well, as you can see, we're here at the restoration show. The car is all together to where I wanted to get it to. So we ended up doing half a car, so we could see the wireframe over the roof, showing the rear arch. And you can see the front with these wings. Some of this needs to be changed slightly. And then here you can see RP box saloon that I did the engine rebuild on. And you can see my 7 Special that you can see the other video on the channel. Right, hope you enjoyed that build. I'll be following up with a second build on this car very shortly. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, thanks a lot. See you soon.